Welcome back to Mammoth Mountain for Enduro session number 2. We're up here with Laz behind the camera, Mr. TR, Jared here.
Just out here checking out the trails, kind of going places we've never been before, trying to find good single track, good vistas. Which is pretty epic.
Seeing some new trails, some crazy like Land of the Dead trees and everything.
Yeah, yeah, Mordor.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty crazy. We're looking forward to bringing it to you.
Check it out.
That sucked.
Good?
Yeah.
We got a Lumix, we're good. Well, one more time?
Yeah.
That's my boy.
So what did you think about the riding today?
It was good. I mean, the only thing I would complain about is the dust. But, I mean,
yeah, lots of dust.
Yeah, there's nothing you can really do about that up here. I mean, it's kind of just what it is. If you get really lucky and you come up here right after it rains, it's incredible. But the one good thing about the dust is it does let us see, like, if there are people coming our way. We've been lucky today, and I guess really the whole week up here, there haven't been too many people on the trails, these other bikes. But
not really.
It does help for that. But yeah, I guess other than the dust, I had a blast.
That was a great time.
Yeah, I know everyone's saying there's no single track.
We're going to prove you wrong.
We rode a bunch of single track and had a blast, so yeah, I guess thanks for checking out this episode of Throttle Report.
Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.